When RoboUp asked us to try out their T1200 Pro 2025 robotic lawnmower, we jumped at the chance. It's a sub $2,000 mower geared toward residential customers who want to keep their lawns manicured, but without the need for installing a boundary wire. Between the Wirefree setup, the advanced AI navigation, and the customizable features, the T1200 Pro offers a more efficient and user-friendly experience than many other mowers currently on the market. Even better, this model was just updated for 2025. The RoboUp T1200 Pro has some key features that are worth going over in some detail. First up is the wire-free installation. The T1200 Pro eliminates the need for traditional boundary wires by using a combination of technologies to map your yard and then navigate it. This includes avoiding obstacles for cutting. A real-time kinematic or RTK base station uses satellites for precise navigation. Visual simultaneous localization and mapping, or VSLAM, enhances navigation in areas with weak RTK signals, such as under trees, while also improving obstacle detection and avoidance. Finally, an inertial navigation system, or INS, integrates accelerometers and other sensors to round out these three technologies. All told, you get very precise virtual boundaries, including a simplified setup process using the RoboUp app. Well, let's talk a little more about advanced obstacle detection. Equipped with AI-powered Smart Eye Vision, the T1200 Pro robotic mower intelligently detects and avoids obstacles, and that includes pets, garden furniture, and other objects. This ensures safe operation while preventing potential damage to both the mower and any items that you might have left out lying in the yard. You also get smart mowing patterns. Many robotic mowers use a randomized pattern when mowing, and this results in an unpredictable cut and longer required cut times. But the RoboUp T1200 Pro uses an intelligent path planning algorithm to create more efficient mowing routines. It even adjusts the mowing angle by 15 degrees with each task, and that keeps it from mowing in the same direction every time, while also ensuring comprehensive coverage and providing a more uniform cut in the process. We do the same thing with gas mowers to keep the grass healthy. There's also support for multiple zones. The T1200 Pro lets you define unlimited mowing and exclusion zones. With this, you can tailor your mowing schedules to intelligently cover different areas of your property. This feature is particularly useful for optimizing your battery and your runtime. For example, when cutting both a front and a backyard. Now, how about app control? While not terribly robust, the free RoboUp app gives you some control over the mower's functions, including setting up schedules, adding and customizing zones, and giving you access to real-time monitoring. Dig deep, and you can find handy in-app tutorials that assist with both setup and operation. Firmware updates also go through the app and are all but mandatory, as you can't access further app features until you upgrade to the latest version. And since mowers need to mow, well, outdoors, an IPX6 waterproof rating certainly helps. RoboUp designed the T1200 Pro to withstand rain. You can also get an optional garage that further protects the unit from rain and sun when it's parked on the charger. It also has a handy sensor on top that keeps the mower from mowing once that rain starts, and that's going to save your blades and improve cutting efficiency. Now let's talk about the setup process. Having reviewed several robotic mowers over the past decade, I really appreciated the fact that, unlike traditional robotic mowers, the RoboUp T1200 Pro didn't require me to install a physical boundary wire, and this made the setup process much less time-consuming. To begin the setup, you place the charging station on the ground somewhere you can reach it with the included power supply and the extension cable. For me, that was the side of my shop that borders a fenced-in section of yard. 6 oversized plastic threaded screws secure it to the ground. Next, I assembled, connected, and finally placed the RTK pole nearby where it could get decent line of sight to the sky. Keep in mind that you may need to move it around your space until you see a blue light stop blinking and become solid. Try several locations and be sure to give it some time to try and sync to the satellites. Remember, they're in outer space. For both the power supply and the RTK base station, weatherproof connectors are used for the extension cables, letting you supply power or place the RTK system pretty far away from the charging station if needed. With the mower docked in the charging station, I entered the default pin and then used the app to configure Bluetooth and wireless connectivity to the mower. As of this review, RoboUp has yet to enable the auto mapping feature. That just meant I had to manually drive the mower using the software joysticks on the app to create a map of my yard. If you like playing video games, you'll actually enjoy this process. Once the map was created, I could add additional zones, create no-go areas, and even create artificial boundaries. After that, I sent the mower for its first run and got myself a cup of coffee. Okay, on to our performance testing. Happily, I was able to place the RTK base station alongside one of my crepe myrtles, keeping me from having to place it in a more conspicuous location or even mount it to an eave. The light turned solid blue, and I was able to begin mapping immediately. Once mapped and configured, the RoboUp T1200 Pro went to work on a combination of St. Augustine and Bahia grasses in my yard. I threw a variety of objects in the yard to test its obstacle avoidance, and the mower managed to reroute itself every time without incident. Cutting speed is average, but I do like the parallel lines and the angles that this mower is capable of making. I much prefer that to the haphazard and random zigzag patterns that many other robotic mowers exhibit. The mower's battery let it cut for about 100 minutes until it had to dock and recharge. About an hour later, it continued cutting. With just a couple more charging periods, it did the whole fenced-in area between the shop and my house. That's about 1/8 of an acre, which provided a great test area for this mower. Now let's discuss pricing and availability. RoboUp's T1200 Pro should work really well for homeowners with simpler yards in only 1 or 2 zones, although you could do more. This mower includes a 5 amp-hour battery and operates for nearly 2 hours per charge. It retails for $1,549 from RoboUp or any of their authorized dealers. I like the cut quality and the performance of this mower for small yards. It delivered an even and consistent cut without the need for pesky boundary wires. You get a relatively quick setup, hands-free mowing, and predictable operation. RTK technology takes a bit of planning before placement, and it is susceptible to satellite interruptions, from tree cover for example, but it's an appropriate solution for those with ample access to the skies and few obstructions. For the money, RoboUp has created a truly affordable solution for homeowners looking to put away the gas cans and pull starts forever and who want to finally make the switch to robotic mowing.